Okay. Okay. Hello everyone, welcome to Let's Learn Together. So yesterday in day one, we'll discuss about what is computer and some characteristics of computer. So today we will discuss about functionalities of a computer. So what is the functionalities of a computer? As we know that computer is a computing device, so the input is known as the data, where the input is it is known as data, and the output is known as information. So it is the figure that is so about the how data process in a computer. So in this way, this is of consist of 5 steps. The step 1 is the computer takes data as input, and in step 2 it stores the data and instruction in its memory and uses them as required. मतलब इस कंप्यूटर डाटा को लेने के बाद उसको स्टोर करके मेमोरी पे रखता है और जब उसकी जरूरत पड़ती है तो उसको यूज करती है. ठीक है. So in step 3, process the data and convert it into useful information. So this is the process where the computer converts into it useful information. So in step 4, generate the output as in the figure. Take input, process the data, and gives us output. And in step 5, it controls all the above 4 steps. So it takes data as input. Here data goes in, goes in and process, and here goes out. Okay. So now we'll discuss. So as I said, this is data. Input is known as data, and output is known as information. Okay. So now we'll discuss what is input. So what is input? An input is the data that a computer receives. Data that computer receives is known as input. So what is input? It is known as data. Then we'll discuss what is data. So data is nothing but a raw material for data processing, the collection of unrecognized facts and figures. And it can deal with number, text, image, sound, etc. Data does not convey any meaning and it is processed or manipulated to produce meaningful information. For example, Ron scored 505 marks, 505 marks in her exam. So it is the data. Music record on cassette. Music record in what? In cassette. So it is also known as a data. So data is nothing but a number, character, text, image, anything that computer receives that known as data. So what is output? As we know, output is known as information, and output is data that a computer sends. The data that computer sends us is known as output. It is also known as information. Information is a data that has processed in such a way as to be meaningful to a person who receives. It is anything that is communicated. So what is output? It is anything that to be communicated. So now we will discuss what is process. Sorry. A process refers to a set of instructions currently being processed by the computer processor. So process can be defined as the computation done on the data to generate result. The process is what? The computation done on the data to produce the output that is known as information or result. So it can be arithmetic, logical, or anything that the process is include. For example, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, anything. So how the computer process? Let us consider we want juice. So for that, what we need to do? We have to take milk plus apple. Then we need a grinder, that is mixer. And then we get the juice. In that way, computer also process the data and gives us information. The data that is given to the computer is known as command. And the set of instruction is known as program. So if we want to add two numbers, then in step 1, take the first number, then take the second number, then perform the plus operator in process, which add first plus second number and gives the output, that is result. Okay, clear? Then stop. In this way, a computer process. Then we will discuss disadvantages of computer. The first one is computer has no IQ. A computer is a machine that has no intelligence to perform any task. Each instruction has to be taken to the computer. A computer cannot take any decision on its own. So computer की कोई IQ नहीं होती है. It has no intelligence and it doesn't take any decision on its own. Second one is it has no feeling. Computer have no feeling or emotion. It cannot make judgment based on feeling, taste, experience, and knowledge, unlike human. So third one is dependency. It functions as per the user instruction, thus it is fully dependent on human. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel to get more classes day by day. Thank you.